Good afternoon, everybody. I'm just back up at the log with the G288. I'm ready to give it a second go, second tank full. So, yeah, second tank full. I'm just warming it up. Started first go actually. Right, I'm just going to do a couple of cuts on this tree just to break the soaring a little bit more. It's only had one full tank full through it, so this is the second one. So while I'm here, I'll do a little bit of filming of it and see how I go. And I've got my stand with me at the moment, whether it's going to work or not on this unlevel ground. Sorry, I'm wasting more time trying to get it going. Alright, let's give it a go without wasting any more time. Thankfully my mic's working. We'll give it a go. I've already cut 40 pieces into this. So 40 cuts into the log. So I'll put a wedge in and see if I can cut through one of them. See how I go of it. I still can't find my tomahawk. Alright, I'll cut through on that. There's the oil that's working. Oh yeah. Looking good. I think there's three of them. I wasted half the film doing this. I'll go on halfway through on this side. Should drop. But she dropped. I'll turn that noisy thing off, sorry. There you go. I don't think you would have caught it from that angle, but yeah, man, she just dropped down all right. It's a good couple of foot thick log, so beautiful. Gives me room now to finish cutting a bit of that along here. So the old 288, it sounds terrible actually because of the it's running so rich. Yeah, I haven't touched it with a screwdriver yet. I'll tune it. It's just yeah, bit of a second run. This is still sitting off the ground there, so yeah, you can see it because where the thick part of the butt is, it's keeping it off the ground. I'll try and cut a couple more anyway, see how we go, but I'll put you on pause for a second. Okay, I've put a wedge in just in there, so about 5 foot long, 6 foot long, so I'll start her up and give her another go. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. running rich. Anyway, there we go. There we go. Dropped her again. Yeah, there we go. Oh, she just fell straight down. Beautiful. Okay. Another 3 foot here. Ah, sticks. Crap. Yeah, I haven't given it much rev, to be honest. And it's running 25 to 1 fuel. So it's oiled up. Rigged up. So, anyway, let's break it in. Let this drop her again. Oh, there goes, drop. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Right. There you go, she's dropped off the main stump there. 5 foot of it. Then I've just dropped another 3 foot. I'll put the wedge in up here and do a bit more, but anyway, rather than wasting too much time, it's already 6.5 minutes now, I'll just do another little piece up here. Right, here we go. I'll just drop this piece. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. I'll put a piece, cut another piece up here. They're getting good sections. Right. Hopefully it'll go through alright. Hopefully you can see me. So there we go. They can't come up a little bit. Oop. This stand, it's the first time I tried this one. It's not much good. I'm afraid to say I'm wasting more time. No. Waste more time trying to get it to sit right. Let's just leave it there, shall we? Enough of the noise and bamboozling. Right. Oh. 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 Oh, how's that? Right. Sorry about all the huffing and puffing. I'm still not right from this virus I've had. I feel absolutely knackered, to use a term. I'll leave my gloves there. There we go, the 288, much untuned, running rich, but still got enough power to pull the chains through stuff that's sitting in the ground. As you can see, it's sitting in the ground here for over a year. And I'm as puffed as. At least these pieces have turned over. I can finish chopping them up. But anyway, it was only a demonstration to give the 288 a run. Once I can tune it, I'll lean it out a little bit, but not just yet. I'll let it run its natural course of running in. And anyway, thanks for dropping in and saying hello. And that's my little 288. Giving it a second tank full, which I've only probably used about a quarter of a tank doing this. All right then, cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. From me and the little hunting dog, we'll say goodbye. Cheers for now. Right, I'm back in my trusty little hunting hound. Been picking up a lot of rubbish here too and throwing it back on the fire where I burned it off the other night. But yeah, I just started up the G288 again, only for 5 minutes, but I cut through some of these, which turned them some blooming hard and solid blocks of wood. They are heavy. Anyway, I've cut a few of them through from the 372 the other day. These I've just got to finish off this bit of log here. And I've actually turned this piece where I was cutting the end off it and haven't finished cutting right through them just yet. But anyway, it's a work in progress. Yeah, I've just got to finish off the top piece and that. The last cut was just there the other day. So yeah, at least I've got it out of the wet ground so I can dry it, and I've pulled a heap more bark off and thrown it on the fire over there. But yeah, anyway, the 288, and it's just had another little run. I've really got to tune it in. I really do. I'll touch it up later. Anyway, thanks again for watching, everyone. Cheers for now.